Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: your Aadhaar number, the mobile already seeded to Aadhaar, and the bank account you want to link. Once ready, log into your bank's net banking or mobile app, select Aadhaar linking or profile update. If your bank supports SMS linking, note the exact format and recipient from the bank's instructions. Make sure the mobile number receiving OTP is inserted in the SIM. You'll need a 6-digit OTP to proceed. Now you enter your Aadhaar number and check that the name, date of birth, and gender match the bank's records. Mismatches cause rejection. Once you submit, you'll receive an OTP on the mobile linked to Aadhaar. Type it promptly to authenticate. The bank will request digital consent for eKYC, read the scope, and confirm. After submission, the bank will send an acknowledgement and a transaction reference number. Note that for tracking and follow-up. Finally, wait for confirmation. Banks usually send an SMS or display status in net banking within a few hours to 7 days depending on checks. Once done, log back into your account to verify the Aadhaar field shows linked. If it fails, use the transaction reference to call customer support or visit the branch. A common issue is mismatch in name or date of birth. If that occurs, update the shorter record, either bank KYC or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.